Hmm. Where are you going? Lily. I see you. I see you. Should we try to get you to crawl? Okay. Mommy, sit right here. Ooh. Come get it. Come get the phone. Come here. Come on. There you go. Mommy's play back now. Come on. Come get the phone. Good girl. Good girl. So? What are you doing? Yay! Yay! Oh no. Oh no! You're probably thinking, what the fuck are you doing? Who are you gonna call? Should we fight it and see if you go backwards? Are you gonna go get it? Oh, you want to come to Mommy? What are you doing? Peanut! Oh, you're not are you standing? You're crawling at Mama!